Hello kids, today I'm going to do another project on Scratch. It's going to be a bird tutorial. I will show you how to make the bird fly. First, we always need a background, so I'm going to the stages and I'm going to choose a background. You can choose anything, but I'm going to choose the blue sky. And then we need the bird. So go to the sprite, choose a sprite. And I am going to choose a parrot. If you could not find it there, go to the animals and there's the parrot. You can find it fast. And now you need to go to the size which is right here. And I am going to make it 60. Okay, now we got it. We need the parrot to move. So first we will take move 10 steps. And go to events and choose when the green flag is clicked. See, now it is moving. But can you tell me the problem? Yes, the bird is not like moving its wings. It's just moving, but the wings are not moving. So we'll go to the control and choose forever. We'll go to looks and we will choose like switch costume to parrot B. You will snap it in here and another one. For better thing, I'll go to the costumes and you can see there's two options like here in the corner. You can see there's one parrot A, like its wings are up, and you can see parrot B, its wings are down. So we need both of them to go like 1 second like after. So we will go here and I choose like, we'll go to the down arrow and I choose parrot A and parrot B. So now we will look. See, it's going. But the problem is we cannot get it. Only sometimes we can get it. So I'm going to pause it. And go to the motions and I will choose if on edge bounce and snap it to there. Now we will see. Okay, now it is going. So now you can see the parrot is not going like through the page. It's like coming back. But can you tell me what's the problem again? Yes, the parrot is bouncing, but it is going upside down. So we need to make it better. So click on the red button so it will stop. Now we'll go to set rotation style left or right, and now we'll see what happened. See, now it's not going up or down, it's moving straightly, but again the wings are not flopping around. So I'm going to do something else. We'll put weight in between these, it for 1 second, and now we look. It's moving, but it's slow. So we are going to make it like, first pause it, 0.1, and for that also 0.1. Now we'll see. Yeah, you can make it slower because it's going fast. So I'm going to make it 0.5. 0.5. Now it's like little slower. So it could like rest and fly again. So next we need to add the sound. So I'm going to go to the sound and choose play sound bird until done and snap it between set rotation style and switch to costume parrot A. See, now it is flapping its wings and also like chopping around. So this is how you do a parrot tutorial. If you want any more ideas, ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching this video.